Hi, this is Christina Garidi from Eudaimonia Coaching, and really I want to ask you something. Have you ever felt disposed by the corporate system? If yes, listen up. I hear impressive senior executives say often that, hey, what am I doing wrong that the system spits me out every few years? First things first, in your career you will go through a few natural cycles. It's a process. When you stay somewhere where your values and perhaps your ambitions are not aligned anymore with the leadership or the organization, the system knows you have outgrown it. So you do not fit in anymore, you cannot be authentic, plus really you cannot thrive in that environment. So naturally the system will autocorrect. For the sake of harmony, the system will amend what is at discord. This has nothing to do with your value as a professional. I see a lot of people take this process really to heart, and it's heartbreaking because, hey, what they're doing is that they're linking their self-esteem with the stability or the longevity of their employment. They're simply not correlated. So if you're craving then for fulfillment, you must accept that you will have to change often in order to be able to grow. That's the price that we have to pay in order to realize our full potential. A career is not measured in its stability or its longevity. A career that you dread is not really worth its title, money, and status, right? So this does not even inspire a respect for yourself. So it takes courage to choose impact and meaning. So what about redefining your career so that it's worthwhile and that you are proud in the process? So I invite you to start seeing your career as a statue that needs carving. Do not mistake yourself for the statue, okay? Take yourself to be the sculptor. So your career is a statue and you are the sculptor. Tough and small adjustments are necessary for the masterpiece to emerge from the shapeless rock. Your value does not depend on the rock, but on the work of the sculptor. You know you have outgrown your colleagues now, so welcome the work that's required for alignment with your purpose and treat yourself with deep respect along the way, because that's the real source of your self-esteem. I hope you enjoyed today's talk, and if you've got any questions, drop me a line. Take good care.